One of the enhancements for the Laser Ultra in RN35.1 is the line arc compensation. So if you have geometries with lines and arcs and you still want to maintain them as straight lines and arcs, maintain the angles, maintain the X position and the diameter, then this is the perfect option for you to use. At present, if you don't have the line arc compensation enabled, when you try to do a compensation on a line, a straight line, it tries to make it point by point and it could become a little bit curvy or wobbly. Now what this line arc compensation does is it offsets or displaces to correct the angle, keep the lines in the right diameter position, and then it simply offsets that line to match the radius or the blending in arcs. So at the end of the day, if you enable the segment compensation and do another simulation, you should see all these lines becoming straight, and it will also put it in the right X position and the diameter position, and it's a very good feature, especially when you have lines and arcs in your profile to maintain the tolerances.